Wait, the main organ that is involved in photosynthesis is the leaf. However, young stems may also undergo photosynthesis. We will now look at some adaptations of leaves that allows them to undergo photosynthesis. The first adaptation is that they have broad, flat leaves with large surface area. This helps leaves to be exposed to as much sunlight and air as possible. Leaves are also usually very thin. There are two advantages to this. One, it allows for a rapid diffusion of gases, and two, it allows sunlight to penetrate all of the cells. The xylem vessels and the phloem tubes are very close to the photosynthesizing cells in the mesophyll layer that you would see very shortly. The xylem supplies water to the chloroplast, while the phloem will remove organic products made during photosynthesis. The final adaptation that I wish to mention is that leaves normally have numerous stomata at the bottom or at the lower epidermis. This is to allow quick diffusion of gases into and out of the leaves. You should be able to draw and label the external parts of a given leaf as shown in this image. It is also important that you learn to label the internal structures of the leaf. This is an internal view or a transverse section through a leaf. The palisade mesophyll layer contains a lot of chloroplasts. It is where most of the photosynthesis occurs. The spongy mesophyll layer contains cells that are a bit far from each other. These are air spaces and they allow gases to move freely. So while examining a plant or any other organism, we observe that their structures are usually adapted in a manner that allows them to carry out their functions effectively. This brings us to the end of this lecture. Please remember to check the resource section for more information related to this topic. If you have any questions or comments, please use the discussion section. Thank you once again.